What? Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow. Wow, wow. Well, how about we do Dragon Quest 7 OST 3DS Japan. Yeah. I think this should be good. It's by default very loud, but I think me adjusting it should sound fine. Da 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 boom. Da 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 da. Bam, ba da da da. Ba 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 da 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 da. Ba 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 da da da. Boom, boom. This is not a singing stream. So here's what I'm planning on doing. I've come to the realization that I might as well, if I'm doing stuff for fun, which I still am, I think it would be cool to try and figure out a game design document, they call it. And I may or may not have acquired a book by the means of, hey friend, send me the PDF file. I'm gonna open it. I will not be showing it on stream. Just because I don't want to have to deal with it. In case it end up being something. But I did not download it, I only opened it. Hang on, I gotta download it. Oh, I did download it. It's in my download files. Oh, yeah, it is. Okay. So, fuck. Oh no, we're good. Cool. Can you do... Well, I think this should be good enough. So what I'll be doing... Well, first of all, let me just, for some reason, allow Steam. Steam is not closing. Wine server. There we go. I am going to create. We'll call it new folder doc. And then under doc, we'll have a GDD MD. No, we'll do it on MD just to. I can easily tag stuff. I could do latex as well, but I'm not. Nah, I'm not going to. So, will, oh, and by will, we, I mean I. Holy shit, there's a lot of chapters. One sheet sample. Should I do a one sheet sample? I do give one shit about it. Should I go for 10-page document? 10-page document might be a lot. But also, I do not care to have very little on hand. I don't care to redo this at some point. I will be reading directly from it. God, I hope there's not some kind of... I don't think there is. Like automated system that catches me reading stuff from books directly. Like the one page, which should be kept to one page. Holy shit. Mind-blowing. The 10 page is more of a set of guidances than a strict policy. It's more like 10 pointers. That's perfect. That's what I want. So, page 1, title page, includes a graphic if possible, a title, preferably a logo, and a contact information. Oh, contact information. This is kind of like to show to... Okay, I guess this is more like industry related. Targeted platforms. Okay, actually we should do this. We'll do title page according to... I'll name the guy. I don't think that's a problem. Scott Rogers level up GDD example. I don't know. Look, if the man wrote a book about it, I don't think he cares. So title page, okay. It should try and include a graphic if possible. I do not have a graphic, although I do have... kind of do have one. I did do a... do I have it at hands? Godot... seed field... Oh yeah, I have. Okay. Actually, fuck, I might need Steam again. Because this is not a PNG. I'll open a PNG, but I have set it a few things for myself. One of which is the screen size of the game. In pixels. I always liked both the Super Nintendo and like the only Super Nintendo Hearthstone, the first one, and Friends of Mineral Town. My problem with Friends of Mineral Town is I feel like the camera is too close up. So the resolution for the SNES is a bit higher than a GBA. I was checking out like ports from the SNES to the GBA, and what they usually do is get the camera closer up to the characters, so the characters are more pronounced on screen. So they can keep the same ratio for the characters, but because there is less screen, there is usually like a zoom on the characters, right? So you don't get as much stage. I guess it's one of the many problems with the Sonic port for the GBA. I'm sure it's much more than just that. This guy, and it's a GIF actually. Can I export as GIF? I can export. Yes. Middle loop. Sure. Okay. So this is kind of the layout I want for the game, which might never see the light of day. Oh, it is playing. Okay, so it's 5 seconds each frame. On the top left, there's a few things I don't like. It is based on Friends of Mineral Town. The clock on the bottom right. It also shows the day weather in your tool, but I feel like it's too much. I feel like your tool should be, visible when you're on the farm. Maybe somewhere, I don't know. Maybe like you use your tool and then or change your tools, equip tools, and it kind of pops up for a few seconds, but then it disappears. I feel like it's a bit too intrusive considering how little space the GBA has. It puts everything on the bottom right, which is probably the best place to put stuff, because the upper right most likely is going to block your view. If for example you get to, let's say you get to the canyon, or not the canyon, the like mountain top and stuff like that. It's gonna be blocking the mountain top view, and it's gonna take you out of the game. There's usually nothing very important on the bottom right of stuff. Also, yeah, and the weather is, it's kind of cool being there, but also it doesn't really change. It only changes on a day-to-day basis. I see no real reason for the weather to take space. Like, always take space. So I would move those, and it's the top left for the weather. I could also use top right. I'm not really sure. I don't feel either way about it. But top for sure, because you know it's the sky. It should be up there. As for the bottom right and the clock, I feel like the clock for Friends of Mineral Town is just perfect. It would be really fun, and this is of course just spitballing ideas. It would be really fun to start like with no clock, or the clock being like hour only, or day only. Actually, maybe day only and season, and then you kind of upgrade it to you buy a watch or something, and then it upgrades to the clock we all know and love. Also, it'd be kind of cool for it to be thematic, instead of just the yellow, weird yellowish. Well, everything is yellow in Friends of Mineral Town, but you know. And this is just the player ratio to screen. Might be a little too small. Maybe I'll make it bigger. I'll see how it goes, because the screen size I chose is the SNS screen size times 125%, times 125, which is basically like giving it a bit more breathing room, a bit more space, in case they go with a more, you know, detailed sprites kind of deal, with more Friends of Mineral Town kind of deal, which would take more space, and you know, it's nice to have a little bit more space. I can also, yeah, I think it's gonna be like this for now. There's no need to think too much about it. So what's next? Back to title screen, which I do not have. I think all I said was captured. Okay, I was not speaking to and not showing anything. So include a graphic. I'll leave that graphic over there. I don't know if that's something I should be using. Well, who cares? A title, we'll call it seed farm. Whatever. Dude. Title. Your contact information, whatever. Targeted platforms. x64, x86, ARM v7. Yeah, I think are those. I really want to get this on ARM, but I'm not gonna bother at the moment. I feel like if I could get it running on any Linux ARM CPU, a bunch of those Chinese handhelds, a bunch of fucking man-child YouTube love, and I'm guilty of that as well. I think it'll be a good. There is a market unattended for those, like for games specifically made for those handheld machines. They're usually emulation stations. There's very little like actual games for them. I think running on Linux on in the ARM system would be fun. Also, the small screen size would better fit that handheld model. Target audience. People who enjoy Harvest Moon and Stardew Valley, but feel like the games need a bit of a shake. I'm not really sure what I mean by this. To be upfront, I feel like, well, I'm gonna take, because I don't know, I don't really want to do anything too different actually, but want to take them on the go if they want, because I'll be targeting the handheld devices. Targeted rating and expected shipping date. I have none of those. Story and gameplay. Page 2 should include a short story paragraph about the story, beginning, middle, and ending, or at least a cliffhanger, mentioning the setting, the characters, the conflict. Gameplay descriptions should be brief ideas and flow of the game, break it into stages or bullet points if it's easier to convey that way. So I guess we should... Wait, I think we can start a few short paragraphs about the story. So, story... This is very hard for me because I really don't care about this. So, man loses grandpa. Grandpa leaves farm to grandson. Grandson takes over the farm. When he arrives at the farm, it is completely not destroyed, abandoned. Townsfolk lend a hand to hero to get things going, but then it's up to the hero to continue working and upgrading the farm. Interactions with the townsfolk. Oh, okay. I guess I can just fucking spit, like, throw some ideas. Interaction with the townsfolk, reveal. Grandpa was a silly old cook. I don't know how to cook. Cook as in crazy. How do I do that? Oh, it's a K. Okay, silly old cook. Strange, crazy person, a weirdo. Okay. Who kept some secrets. Some secrets and talk alone. One day, hero stumbles upon sprites that are surprised hero can see them. They ask for help to save their goddess. Sure. Yeah, I think that's cool. And the only way to do this is to restore the farm. Cool. Okay, I think this is good for now. Let's see. Breaking into stages or bullet points. I think the paragraphs work. Gameplay descriptions should give a brief idea of the flow of the game. Okay, the next part is game flow, so I'll do game flow. How does the player grow as the challenges increase? How does this tie into the story? Briefly describe the systems, how the systems will work, experience points, money, score, collectibles, and what the player gains as they grow. New abilities, weapons, additional moves, unlockables. So game flow. Game can be separated into a few different steps. Few different branches. What branch to progress on a player's given day is up to them. Animals are present in the game, and the player can construct a barn or coop. And/or coop. Animal. When an animal is purchased from the local townsfolk, it'll go to the player's farm. When at the farm, the player must take care of them by giving it food, and is rewarded daily with items from each different item. I think it's clear enough. If not taken care of, animals may get sick and die. When sick, animals lose affection daily with the player if not taken care of. Affection is granted by petting animals, brushing them, playing with them. By petting, brushing, playing, feeding, and other interactions. I think this is good. The animal storyline. The progress comes with the progress comes with a set of tournaments for each species of the animal that takes place throughout the year. Those tournaments. Hang on. Okay. Those tournaments require either events, affection, or items to help win. And when one upgrade the and when one give the player some unlockable or upgrade player animal. Okay, so we got animals, we got crops are present in the game, and the player can plant them in his field. To get seeds, the player must buy them from the locals, and each seeds have a price. Looks for a price. When playing, each crop has a season to be planted in. Days should grow. Upkeep. And harvestable reward. The crop must be planted on the season. On its season, be watered daily or else it won't grow. Must be planted on the season or else it'll wither. Be watered daily or else it won't grow. Yeah, I think this should be it. Okay, as for the progression comes with events as well. Sure. Events, town events, or I don't know, sprite requirements. Town events work in a similar fashion to animal events, where each season has a best crop of the season event. By winning those events grants the player a reward or upgrade. As for the sprite events, they are required to progress the sprite questline to save the day. Each season, the sprites will require a number of given crops to help with the rescuing of the goddess, as well as for... Actually, maybe this should be here. Recurring the goddess, as well as for an X number of other. What is it when we're giving something to the tribute? Tribute. And I'll just say they are also related to the overall plot line. To get the game's credits. I don't know. So we have animals, we have crops. I'm gonna leave it like this. I don't feel like I have to create the whole game flow for now. I think just having animals and crops is a good goal. Characters and control. So characters and control. Who does the player control? What is its story? What can they do that is unique, special in the game? Can the player do several types of activities, driving, shooting, and so on? Does the player ever change characters? What is the difference in play? Show control mapping highlighted by some special unique moves. Okay, I get it. So, player controls main hero whose grandfather died. He may move in 4 directions. And has 4 total other buttons to help him interact with the farm/world. A/confirm. Well, just confirm button. Used to interact directly with other entities in the game, such as petting animals, talking to people. Confirming search, confirming on menus. Sure. Cancel button. Use to act with tool equipped. If no tool equipped. Huh. If no tool equipped. No tool equipped. Allow player to run. Allow hero to run. It cancels on menu. To select. What is it? To select. Back. Interaction. Shortcut button to interact directly with players inventory. Pressing it plus an arrow to let the player swap between tools or items on their backpack. What exactly is R? I'm gonna have to look it up, I think. Game facts, Friends of Mineral Town. Let's see if I have controls over here. Control, game controls. So L, whistle for dog, call person, R, hold it down to run. Forgot you could run on the game. Oh no, that is right. You can run. Combo control. So LB treat item. L plus A goes to menu 2. Start plus L open town map. Select plus L open menu farm. It's all L. L. Whistle for horse, whistle for dog. Oh shit, there's a difference. Oh, that's kind of cool. Takes out item from rucksack. So DR only allows the player to run. Run button. Back button. Run button allows hero to run. May be used in combination with other buttons to create shortcuts. I don't really know which shortcut I would use. I'll leave it as is for now. Page 5, okay, we're getting halfway there. Main gameplay concepts and platform-specific features. Also, oh yeah, the player, okay, so this is the only guy. So also I have select a button. Well, not select button, maybe I should name them better. Run, confirm, cancel, select. What is select? Again, what does select do in Friends of Mineral Town? Brings up main menu, brings up option menus. Start and select. Bring up main menu, bring up options menu. Oh, I guess so it's like save, load, stuff like that. Really, there's a whole button for that? Huh. Well, we'll do select. What does select do? Bring up options menu. So we do options menu and allow opens up a menu with all menu options in it. A better view of the backpack, a map, save load functions, kind of like a friend list. Well, look, towns, folk, list, etc. Well, fuck the etc's. They don't add anything. So I have options menu, and I'm gonna leave it as a pause button. Pause button. Pauses the game. And because I really don't have much else going on. Maybe in the future we'll change that. Cool. I think those are well, start select, LNR, A and B, and then directional. So I'll just add directionals. Used to navigate the menus and move the character around. Cool. Okay. Main gameplay concepts. So main gameplay concepts. What kind of play does the player engage in? What genre? Fuck. What type of game are they? How is the sequence of play broken up? Are there multiple minigames? List them out by name or give them short descriptions. If there are specific cool gameplay scenarios, list them. USPS. USPS. Okay. USPs from the concept overview. Okay, this is probably something to do with the book that I didn't really read. Diagrams are cool. What features are unique and capitalized on the platform's hardware? Well, gameplay loop. The gameplay loop is by the time the player arrives at the farm, he'll be free to do as he pleases with the day. Options to spend the day are talking with townsfolk, tending to farm and animals, going farm, participating in events, scavenging for items. I'm not gonna do cooking for now. Yeah. But that kind of does it. Okay. Talking to townsfolk should feel similar to some sort of visual novel on the grand scheme. By talking to them, they mention small details about their daily lives, culminating in the player getting to know each character well. Um, themes like overall characters, emotions towards other townsfolk, and the player, favorite town spots, favorite food, daily work slash job, should be unique to each townsfolk. With possible interactions or mingling storylines between them. As for tending the farm, crops are. Oh, hang on, I'll be right back. I'm back. Crops are planted by tilling the land. Well, planted by tilling the land. Well, tending for the farm. The fields are cluttered by the folk. Pieces of hard wood and rocks are all over the farm. To clean up space for crops, the player must use an axe and a hammer to help with cleaning. Well, axe, hammer, and sickle to clean up the farm. Axe is used to clean wood, hammer rock, and sickle weeds. By the timer, by when a field is cleaned, a field square is clean, it may be tilled so that tilled with a hoe so that the player is able to plant seeds. Seeds require watering daily to grow, and grow and growth is visualized by different frames. Okay. The investment the player made on seeds is rewarded at the end with a crop that may be sold for more than what it was. Well, I mean, maybe sold. Fuck. I think that's way too obvious, way too specific. Tending to animals. Animals also required to be fed daily and produce daily rewards. You may pet them and brush them to raise affection more rapidly. It really feels like I think this is good. I keep wanting to add to it, like do fishing stuff and do specific events and add minigames, but to be honest, I don't want to grow this project too much while it's still at its infancy. Game world. We'll do game world. So game world. Which I think the GDD is a great way for me to know what to do next as well. I'll be changing the farm, the Godot thing over here. I don't know if you can see my mouse, but this farm is too small. I wanna like download a farm from a Harvest Moon game and try to work with it. I guess it would give me a better perspective of size of screen and size of player. Also, I think it would be good to have a camera following the player around and having GUI as well. Yeah, but one step at a time. I think maybe before doing that, I may do the... I may continue with the inventory, because I've done the inventory, but I've done very, very little with it. I think having, even if it's just instantiated at start, like having seeds, watering can, and a hoe all on my inventory, and I'm able to change between them at will. I think it's a good thing. I also think The used to should be a state for the player, which is not right now. But and I'll take care like what animation to play in. Yeah, I think that's right. Who? Game world. Where does the gameplay take place? List the environments the player will visit with a short description. How do they tie up in the story? What mood is being invoked in each world? How are they connected? Linear, hub style navigation. Include a simple flow diagram and how the player would navigate the world. So, game world. The game world consists of 3 maps. Player house, player farm, and town. Town would be a single map at the moment. They are all connected through move spaces. An idea that the through doors, even if not present. The player may walk through the door from the farm to inside their house, but there is also the concept and when, actually not doors, teleport points. Even if not visibly present. Example. The player may walk through the door from his farm to inside his home. When he steps on the door, he is teleported inside. Same with moving between farm and town. The player walks up to the edge of the farm and he'll be teleported to the town. What mood with the interfaces on screen, what music is used? I think I'm gonna skip all that. What emotions is invoked in each word, how they're connected. Like, how they're connected, okay. Short description. So, house. Player is able to move to sleep the day and move calendar a day forward. House farm. Player is able to interact with food and animals. Town. Player is able to buy seeds and animals from townsfolk and talk to them. Should be good. Interface. How does the player navigate the shell of the game? What mood is invoked when the interface screens? What music is used? Include a simple flow diagram. Fuck, man. Okay. How does the player navigate the shell of the game? Well, at game start, the player is able to choose between creating a new save file or loading their saved files. When in the game, whichever you load the game, the player may access a menu which will let them have a better look at their inventory. Sit downs, folk list, the map, save or load game. Mechanics and power-ups. Didn't I do mechanics already? Gameplay mechanics. What are unique mechanics to this game? How they relate to player action. Oh, I did game flow. Enemy and bosses, cutscenes, bonus, and comps. I have a really hard time to define those. Enemy and bosses. There is no enemy and boss. Not yet, at least. I think it's... I don't think I need it. Stardew Valley has Joja, but I honestly could not give a single fuck about Joja. If it didn't exist and if it was just abandoned building, I would feel the same about it. I don't think Harvest Moon has enemy or bosses. At least it didn't. I know DS has some combat mechanics. I'm gonna press skip. I'm gonna press skip. I'm gonna say this is the GDD for now, right? First version. We'll do name 0.1v. I guess it just kind of helps guide me. GDD example. Kind of helps me guide what exactly I'm doing, because it feels really fun to do like systems and do programming, but I keep forgetting what I'm doing exactly. It hits me on the head with like, oh, this would be a fun idea, and I just do it. Cool. I want to do one last thing before I go back and maybe program some stuff. I want to do, what is it? Sprite, resource, harvest moon. Let me see if I have the farm here. Zach, chicken, watermill. I don't think I have the whole farm. Let's try harvest moon SNES. Harvest moon. Animal shop, carpenter, farm, summer. Oh, this is perfect. Perfect. Cool. Godot, seed field. Yeah. Very cool. Oh no, what did I do? Nothing, apparently. I'm gonna move this. I move this to asset. Yes. Okay. And I'm gonna create a new farm, which I probably should close for these. Do test farm. In test farm, I am going to instantiate child node player character, right? And I'm also going to do a sprite 2D, and sprite 2D is going to be the harvest moon. Yeah, look at that. Cool. Very, very cool. Although I think I gotta throw it all the way up here. Yeah, I'm really big, which I think it's okay. Actually, I think I should change the player, just the player size over here. Sprite, because it's scale to 5. No, I'm gonna position 16, I think. No, 32. Well, we'll do 18. Nope, we'll do 24. I think this is good. And I'm gonna make it size B. Do 32. Well, 32 might be a bit too big. 16 by 16. Yeah, I think this is it. Which might be too small now. Oh yeah, this is definitely too small. How big is the main character in Friends of Mineral Town? Not even. How big is he on SNES? Not really big though. Well, I'll do. I'm gonna get the. I do have the SNES, I think. Well, I'm gonna get it again. I'll check my downloads first. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get it again. So, arcade, PSP, Game Boy Advance, Harvest Moon, and then main character. I'm gonna copy image as this sprite. File, new, sure, paste. I might just grab him actually. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna grab him. He's 19 by 25. Hero dot png. Did not save hero.png. Throwing assets. Show him. Wait a second. Sprite. Wait, what? Oh shit, I can. Oh, okay, maybe. You know what? Maybe I'll just save image. It's a GIF. I hope Godot doesn't care about this. Seed field assets. Yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna yoink. Where is it? Where is it? Does he not like that it's a GIF? Oh no. Oh no. Okay, maybe I'll try and get a PNG. Download sheet. GIF. Fuck, it keeps giving me sheets. Yeah, it really doesn't like. I'll do free internet. Help me out. GIF to PNG. Convert. I'm probably losing quality, but it doesn't really matter. I'll just borrow it. There we go. Now we get sprite. We delete this guy. Oh no, fuck. No, not you. Delete this guy. Fuck you. And fuck you. Fuck you. Go this. Wait. Sprite. Go this guy over here. Go this guy over here. Okay, there we go. This will be, well, god damn. With the walk. We'll still walk. Oh no, what have I done? To walk. And the second one is run, whistle. Do run, whatever. What's wrong with you? Oh, I see what's wrong with you. Okay. Assets. Then this one. Then I've got no fucking clue. What's the framing on this? 2 slices, 80. It's not 80, let's try 40. 40 is looking better. Do an offset. I really wish I zoom in? Yeah, I can. I don't think you guys can see this. I see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Actually, no, that wouldn't help me. Yeah, no. Well, I think you all. This should be good. Lesion size is okay. I think you should go down a bit further. Perfect. How can I run a specific scene? Run this scene. Okay. How do I choose which scene is gonna be my main scene? Enable movie maker. Whatever. Is it too small? Can't be too small. Maybe I don't understand how it works. Camera 2D. Offset. Stop left. Zoom. I don't know if it works from the get-go. Oh yeah, it works from the get-go. Okay. So if we go to test file. Dude. Thing. That is so cool. Okay, you know, walk around the farm. And of course all these motherfuckers are tiles. Which yeah, I don't even know how I'm gonna do this. Actually, I may know, but it's gonna be a bit of a pain. I'm going to instantiate. Do I have farm field? Farm field. Yeah, farm field. But I also want to make farm field less large. 211, it's okay. Cool. Maybe too small. Probably is actually. Okay. Cool. I think it's kind of good for me to have an idea of how big it is. I don't know which style I wanna. I don't know anything about anything. The one thing I do know I wanna do is do some programming. I'm gonna do a lot of copy and paste because I do have. I want to make the watering can and the seeds into items, into actual items, because right now I was planting it through the. Which, by the way, I did change the size. Is it too small on screen? Oops, that's not what I want. This is what I want. I think it's good, right? Maybe I'll do a little bit larger. Yeah, I think this is good. Alright, make it a little larger. Yeah, sure, whatever. But not right now. I'm gonna make some coffee for me right now, so I'll be right back. I am back with my cup of coffee. Um. Okay. 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 Well, do I have a scene? I do have a scene for my hoe. Okay, so I do have a scene for a hoe. I guess to continue with the standard, I should do a scene that is a 2, and this 2 is going to be called watering can. I'll save it as watering can. And I do have a watering can sprite. Shoutouts to Fan. I'm gonna take this horrible texture filtering off. And we should have our own watering can logic. Which, by the way, it's not a node 2D, it's a 2. Do want to open my whole logic. Where my hoe at? Okay, so hoe 2 ready. I want to get this override. Actually, I want everything. I'm gonna get everything. And I'm gonna take good square enough pound. Is it because I'm using farming? It is because I'm using farming. And I want to use Godot collections as well. Cool. This. Okay. Well, first of all, I don't want to have to keep copying and pasting stuff. So we're gonna come here to tools. I have get intersection area, which is public. It should be private now. Private double, and I'm gonna go to hoe, and I'm gonna basically steal this code. Right. And I'm gonna put it in public area 2D get selected area, and then we take an area 2D interaction area. And go back to home. This one I want. This one I want. Put it here. Overlapping areas. Overlapping areas. Put it here as also area. Put this one. And you are going to return largest interaction area. Cool, very cool. Okay, so now hoe only needs to do area 2D. area to interact. Get in interact. What is it called? Selected area. I can do selected area. Selected area. Interact area. Now I'll do this, and then this, and finally this. Better. Way, way better. Cool. Now I can only copy these, and I can do over here. And instead of 2, we do water. Very nice. That's crazy. Very fun. Very, very fun. And my watering can is done. Believe it or not. The only thing I did was change the field square from till to water. Now the plant seed, which I'm doing, which I guess, well, it's a tool, right? Oh yeah, music. Serenade says based. Based on what? I don't get it. I don't get it. Audio stream current bitrate 0 is lower than recommended bitrate. What the f... Is audio not working on my stream this whole time? Hang on. No, it's been working. I don't know what's up with YouTube. Probably because I wasn't streaming any audio from my microphone and from the music. So I might be going a little kooky on that. Cool, let's do seed. Which it's going to inherit 2, because it's 2. We are going to use our sprite. Cut out Stefan again. The nearest. We'll save it. Actually, we won't save it as 2. We'll do seed. I'm really wondering. I think it's... I'm going to do things the long and difficult way. Just in case. Yeah, sure, why not? I'll regret it later. And seed is going to be 2. And I'm going to get basically this again. And I'm gonna set it here. But seed is already something we have, isn't it? Farm field, item power berry, seed, feed CS. This is... No. Oh, I was instantiating it. What was I instantiating? Item, power berry seed. Crop, asset field. I do have a seed over here. Seedlings, yes. Okay, so I do have... I have a seedling ready. Grow, stage to grow, reset, item, harvest, just recognize water in this name. Print info. Seedling. It's a specific seedling. Oh, so I was planting a seedling. Because when I call plant, I call plant on a seedling. I see what's going on here, but I don't think this is what I want. I think I'm skipping one step. Ouch. So seed should have... Okay, I think I'm good actually. Yeah, I am skipping one step. Because I'm not using a tool on something. I'm already giving it a seedling. But I'm using a tool and I'm getting the thing and I can do the seedling. I can spawn the seedling on my use of seed and pass it as an argument. Seed. Okay, we're good. The only thing I'm gonna do is load 2 items seedling. This is what I want. Mouse to seed. Seedling plant seed. I'm using farming plant seed. And if it's a field square, I'm gonna call plant and pass plant seed. But the thing is, I will not be using crop power berry. I'll be using crop what? Does 2 have... 2 doesn't have anything. Okay, it's an item. In the item name. Oh, I should probably also have item scene. No, item scene should be their own thing. They're like their own scene. Item... Because the item name is going to be a power berry seed, right? I gotta think of a good way to do this, because I can do just power berry. I think this should work. But this is half the way I want it done. I mean, there really is nothing, because this is seed. Yeah, no, actually, I think we'll just up one level. The city is going to be a tool, but each city will be its own thing. So we'll do export, private, what is it? Seedling scene, right? Look at AMP. Oh, it's a string. Is it a string? Can I do a scene? Scene. Packet scene. No. Let's see how this works. Seed. New packet scene, quick load. Can I quick load? What is it? Power berry. Crazy. Absolutely fucking bonkers. And can I do seedling scene? No. No, I can't. I think because this is already packed scene. Is it obvious that it's a seedling? I don't think so. Why is this not okay? Parentheses can be removed. Is it? Are you okay? Will you work? For real, for real? Oh boy, it's gonna be a pain to get this working actually. Should test it at least. Well, I'm gonna put it like this. I have now 3 tools. 3 brand new, well, 2 brand new tools. I think I gotta change the inventory for the character, and I'll do tool size and then item size. And we'll have store items and store tool. Get money, take money. Item tool. Get tool. Tools. If, well, a load of this for now. I think there's a lot of sanity checks that I could be doing. I'm not going to. Because I'm insane. Store item, store tool. Store tool, and then position, and then tool, then tool, and then tool. Oh, dude, actually, this could be just one thing. And I could just check if the item is tool. Oh, this is gonna be sick, actually. If item to store is tool. Fuck, this is so cool. It's 2. And we'll do... This is already sick, actually. Because I'll do... Oh no, because I gotta change the... This guy over here. Do... Else... Is 2... Twos... Twos... Get item, which doesn't work. Cannot implicitly convert item to 2. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do them separated. Keep them separated. Yeah, fuck it. Sure, why not? I'll make everything better. I will never make everything better. Just tricking you guys. Then you have get item, get 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, so I do have get item and store item. Cool. Okay. 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 Da-da-da-dum. Dude, I really gotta clean this shit up. But I won't for now. Like everything I say, I'm not gonna do it now. I'm gonna do it later. Later, Mom. Just a face. Store 2, store item. Fuck, what else do I need? Nothing. Okay, go back to player character. And then equip 2. 2. Equip 2. No. What is it? We'll do 2 test. 2 watering. Watering can. Then 2 power berry seed. And then I'm going to inventory, add store 2 position 1 item to store watering can, and then position 2 power berry seed. Dum boom 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 cool. Very cool. Cool. Okay, before I proceed further, I gotta find a way, because what I want to do, I forgot that I needed to fix this. How do I do this? Node. Use to. Da, 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 da. We'll be right back again. Oh boy. I'll be right back. The stream. Very cool, very cool. Let me think about it for a second. Because the thing is, I got a player character, and I also should have a tool character. I'll do two equipped. And then whenever I get the character, I should get also character, get to, can I do that? Can I do to move, use to well, instead of use to, maybe get to, and Returned. Equipped. To. Why can't I? Because it's void. To. Oh, and then get to. This is under ready, so it should be right at the start. Play animation, we'll do sprite stop playing, then animation name, and animation name. They do custom, yeah, sure, I should do. Int custom speed equals 1. Custom speed and yeah. I think I may be doing extra steps that not exactly needed. This is just a function call, but I don't want my sprite to be available from everywhere. So people can load stuff from it. Yeah, no, I'll keep it this way. Oh, yeah, and yeah, that is right, because I should check if the animations exist and everything else, do the sanity checks. I'm just not doing it. There is supposed to be more stuff here, I'm just not doing it. Cool. Walk used to. Actually, there is more stuff here. And ooh. Look. Wait, horizon. Vertically. I think it's V that I want. Vertical. Fuck, I'm stupid. Well, I'll live. I don't think it's vertical, because mirrors are vertical, but they flip horizontally. Am I stupid? Holy shit, I may be. I may not be the smartest man alive, I'll say that. That much is true for sure. Get to. I'll do. To. Start. Override, no, don't want this. We'll do crew equipped, use. Actually, used to might just stay there. Maybe I just need character use to. I just use to from here. The start is used to. Or is it the end? Because I want to play the animation. I think I can do function calls from the animation, can't I? Autoplay. I swear there was animation. Select the animation player node to create or edit animation. I think this is a level too high of animation that I made. I don't think I want. Because I don't mess with animation. Maybe I should stick to just animated sprites. But then I should have... That is the case, right? This is the case. Then maybe I should... To equipped. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna go to tool again. Oops. Nope. Tool. Use tool. What is it? Tool. Yeah, this one. Tool is an item. What is it? We'll do timer. And do next turn. Tool effect. Because whenever the character in Harvest Moon is using a watering can, the watering can like never waters instantly, right? It plays the animation and in the middle of the animation it waters, and it's not by the end as well because it doesn't water it then stop, then the thing like gets wet. Well, the way I see this working without actually doing like animation, Because I know like you can do keyframes and everything, but I don't think that's for me. Is it? No. 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 Look, it may be. I'm not trying to find. maybe that maybe it is actually. Maybe I am trying to find excuses why not use it, to not use it. But I don't think I am. I'm just considering because it's gonna add a lot to what I'm doing, and I want to keep it small because that's the thing that bothers me the most about my projects. Is I get excited and things get out of hand too quickly. To effect. Instead of doing this, actually, maybe I should do this timer. This is effect timer. Effect. Is it two Fs? Effect. Result. Yes, it is two Fs. Effect timer. One shot. Yes. Auto start. Auto start. No. Wait time. 1 second should be fine. Cool. Now if I go to whole, it's here. Ooh, very, very cool. Nice. Back to big thing. Back to big thing. I got 2 equipped, and 2 equipped has an effect timer. 2 equipped on effect. Public effect timer. Already. Effect timer is get node. Effect timer. No. Effect timer. What is the time? Time out. Return. Use to. What is the issue? Cannot implicitly convert void to system action. Is it not timeout? It is timeout. It's void as well. System action. Can I do the hard way? God, I never get this right. I gotta do it. Wait. No. Fuck me, dude. Why I never get this right? Can I do system? Oh. System action. Can't it just ignore? I swear I could do this before. Oh, was like, I think I was calling it. Fuck. Well, it works. Here I was thinking I didn't really understand a thing about events. Guess what? Kinda do, kinda don't. Um. Is what is if why do you keep doing this? One shot. So if to equipped effect timer wait time get time left 0. Return idle. Else function, well, else return use to I forget what was the name. I don't think I gave it a name actually. Used to and if it's used to equip start if I go back to my state machine, change state, process new state, maybe I should do this. If new state is different from current state, wait, new state, current state, process. Name. Do my states have name? State name. Get state. Get name. Get name. If is different, if new state is different, change state. Okay, this was missing before, but now I think we're good. The only thing I'm going to do is I'm gonna open all states. Used to, walk, and idle. On ready, state name, walk. No, this is idle. Idle. State name. Else walk. Gonna walk. I'm going to do walk. State. And then use to Stage name. Use. Cool. Now my use to. I think. I think it has everything to work. But I can't. Used to get to start. So you're telling me that if I open, well, I think I could. I can run this instance. Oh no, I'm not moving because I'm doing default as idle. Oh no. Oh no. The given key was not present in the dictionary. Okay, we're back at it. Object reference not staked. An object. Get to. When is this code? To inventory, get to inventory 23, inventory playable character 30. Playable character 30. Store 2. 2 item swap, get to position, get to position. Ooh. I don't get it. It's trying to get to. But getting from. It should just be no. Yeah, it should just be no. They have to start them. Oh, yeah, I guess, right? Items, new, and then who's. I think they should do it. Nope. Inventory 41, player character 30. And then inventory 41 and then 25. So 41. Get 2, 25, return to position. And it says the given key was not present in the dictionary. Well, okay, and I should get value position. Okay. Well, to the documentation we go. Godot dictionary. Operator. I swear I've seen this before. Look. Operator, brackets, returns the corresponding value for a given key in the dictionary. If the entry does not exist, fails and returns no. For suffixes, use get or has. Get or has. Has. Do's dot has get type get value contains key. Do's contains key division. If so, if it contains, then choose position, else no. How about that? Do you like that better? Yeah, you do. Great. Cool. I'm gonna do this for this as well. And do this, this, and this, and this. Cool, cool, cool. Cool, cool, cool. I'm still instantly getting the results to... Oh yeah, I know why. Used to walk idle or idle.cs. Emit signal used to. Return used to. How about this? How about this? Oh. Object reference is not an instance of object. We're used to 27. Used to 27. Oh, right. Wait, right? No. $27. Yeah, it is. Just for curiosity. To build. Oh yeah, right. Okay, you keep there forever, which is fine, you should. Object reference, not an instance. Unused to 23. Well, this is... two and two. Is it because it's never instantiated? But it is, isn't it? Player character, it is. With two. Oh. Ho. Two. You're ready. Can I print? Print. Oh shit. Wait. What? What? Say what? Damn. What are we doing instantiating then? I thought the whole deal with instantiating was to run the... For your child's scene instantiations. Get a node notification. Root. Fuck. What do you mean? Doesn't instantiate it. This crazy doesn't call ready. Whenever I use a tool like ho. I'm just calling functions, right? Yeah, it doesn't really... Doesn't really do anything. Fuck. I swear we were... Okay, hang on. Godot is already triggered in instantiate. It's triggered when it's set it should be seen. Well, since I'm just trying stuff out because I'm not really sure how it works. Init triggers before enter 3 or ready, but after the script creates and initializes its properties. When initializing a scene, property values will be set up accordingly to the following sequences. Oh, it's just a constructor. I need to override, do I? Public. Public to. Oh, ooh. Oh, ooh. Okay. Okay. This is great. Oh, this is so good to know. Because there's a bunch of things I don't intend on instantiating. Oh, this is such a game changer for me. Fuck. Okay. Just a quick question. What are the errors? No, not found. Right. Node not found sprite. Where? Item. 216 base. 216 base ready. No. Why would I do that? Error still. Node not found effect timer. Oh, because I'm calling it again here. Wait. Well. Hang on. No timer, no timer, no timer. No, not found. Effective timer relative to node 2D. Why do half of those? Why do half of those work? Node C14. Playable character 26. Playable character 26. So if I delete these, I should get one null and one node, which is the case. Why? Why is this the case? If I delete this as well, so if I delete this, there's nothing left. Why am I getting load who instantiate? I'm calling it as a tool. Oh, it's not, cause I'm calling it as a tool. Can I just load for the shits and giggles? No. Hang on. Hang on. Oh, it's because I'm initializing it. No, I'm calling initialize twice. Why the fuck am I constructing it twice? It has nothing to do with ready, right? Nothing. Well, this is baffling me. I've got no clue what's going on here. I will try to do my best to learn, and I will also try to do my best to organize all this shit that is thrown all around. But I will be finishing stream here tonight. It's been fun. But there's still a lot to learn. Look, I really feel like cleaning up this whole project. I think there's a lot of stuff that I can work on. Especially considering I gotta figure out how to deal with stuff that I don't actually want to like instantiate on screen or instantiate on the scene node. Just I don't know if that works. Maybe it wants me to instantiate everything. I'm gonna look it up. I'm gonna try and learn the ropes. Later. See ya.